Hello. Aha, I see you, Jasmine. I see you, Jasmine. You're pecking away at the goods over there. I see you, Jasmine. And there's Frankie trying to get all the love. We have Noble singing his song, which sometimes turns into scrambled eggs. He's not doing scrambled eggs right now. He's doing his normal everyday song. You're very happy, aren't you? Yes, you are. Who we got over there? What we got over there? Aha, Frankie. Where's Yachty? Yachty, where are you, Yachty? You evil canary. Wannabe parakeet. Where are you, Yachty? Yachty! Yachty! There she goes. These birds react to sound, so my voice going in a higher octave just triggered the high necks here. And I disturbed Princess Jasmine from her crack mine back there. Her birdie crack mine. Birdie crack mine? Birdie crack mine? You don't have to stop singing. You could keep singing. There you go. Jasmine's guarding the fortress of street. I don't think she's let anyone get in there yet. They just discovered it. And these millets over here, they haven't really touched because it's like a little puzzle thing for them, and they haven't yet quite got the hang of it yet. They kind of hang upside down from the cage just to peck at it, or they'll use the little ropes at the bottom to climb up to the treat. But so far, bird crack has been found. And it's all the way back there in that little hole. Actually, there's a couple of holes. Whoa! You guys really broke into that, didn't you? Yes, you did. Look at that. Look at that hole back there. Oh my god. They really got into it. Well, here's living proof. Bird crack can make you really happy. Which is just seeds. Grass seeds and flax seeds and millets. All coated with honey and all this other deliciousness. Right, Frankie? Have you been in there, Frankie? Don't hide from me, Frankie. Don't hide. There he goes. Peekaboo. He's playing peekaboo right now. Peekaboo. Don't hide from me, Frankie. I can see you. I see you, Frankie, behind the bell. Yes. Oh, Noble's giving Jasmine's kissies. Oh, there it goes. Kissies. Kissies. She had enough of him. He's being too insistent. This is his I love you, I love you, I love you. I really love you. She's like, get away. You're becoming annoying. Get away. Leave me alone. Noble, if you don't get away, I swear I will do with the superfly and jump on you and... Oh, there he goes. He's demanding love from her. I think... Oh no. He might be like really wanting to mate and super randy. Aw. She's being nice now. because she's being so insistent and charming. How about you guys back there? How about you guys back there? No? I don't know why Frankie's hiding, but he's hiding back there. Frankie! 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 Oh, Yadi's now like singing Noble's song. Frankie! Frankie, come out, wherever you are. Don't be bashful, because that's not your nature. Frankie's a clown. He likes to hang upside down in the cage, sometimes when he sleeps, like a bat. Frankie! Frankie! Where are you, Frankie? There you go, Frankie. Frankie! Hello, Frankie! Hello! 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 Gee, Noble's so insistent. Noble, if you were my boyfriend, I would hit you with my wing. You're just so annoying right now. You are. Oh, goodness gracious me. Uh-oh. Frankie's stepping in. I think he's trying to, yeah, there he goes. He's trying to defend Jasmine. Uh-oh. You're losing your girlfriend over to Frankie. Yep. Frankie's telling you to stay away. Leave her alone. She doesn't want to be picked. Okay, you got it? You got it? She's mine. That's right. This bird is mine. Well, there he goes. He's claiming Jasmine. I'm sorry. Well, that's what you get for being annoying. Yeah, that's what you get for being annoying, dude. It's not my fault. Don't tell me your problems. I told you. You're being annoying. Step aside. She's mine. You can have Yadi. You can have the blonde one. That's right. Any comments from you, mister? You stopped singing. Yep, he had a comment. Very dissatisfied. There's more birdies in the air. That's okay. It's okay. Right, Noble? That's okay. You're gonna continue being you. Say bye-bye. 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 And that's it for another chapter of Birds of Our Lives.